Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing Bum's original moisturizing sunscreen spray. This is a 6 fluid ounce bottle, or 177 milliliters. It's broad spectrum UVA UVB protection. It's hypoallergenic, paraben free, and gluten free. If you're allergic to it, I didn't know that they put gluten sunscreen, but now I do. So gluten-free. It's ideal for daily use by adults and children, and formulated for even the most sensitive skin. So when I use a moisturizer, I will mix it in with a little bit of the spray and put it on my face. I don't break out, which is a really great thing. Absolutely love that. It's hypoallergenic with reef-friendly vegan ingredients designed to protect against UVA rays, preventing premature aging and moisturizing the skin. And it's vitamin E enriched. Now, who doesn't want to not age in the sun? That's one of the biggest aging agents that you can expose your skin to. Excludes ingredients that clog pores. Like I said, I don't break out and cause common allergies. Non-comedogenic, so that proves right there that it will not cause acne. It's oxybenzone and oxygenate-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, PABA-free, and oil-free. Bum follows the recommendations and guidelines set by the Skin Cancer Foundation and American Cancer Society. All Bum's original sunscreens have been tested, approved, and recommended by the Skin Cancer Foundation. Trust the bum is their tagline. I think this is a little monkey. I really love that little touch, and I love the wood bottle that it comes in. Here's a little spray, and it just absorbs right into the skin. Super nice. Smells a little bit like light coconut. Yeah, it's just a great all-around sunscreen. I use it on myself and my husband. It should last, I think, about 80 minutes. The sun. I'm not sure if it's waterproof. I don't think it's waterproof. So you want to use it when you're going out into the sun. And actually it is water resistant up to 80 minutes. So if you want to go into the pool, you got 80 minutes of sun protection, and 30 SPF, I've heard, is pretty much the one SPF to go with. You don't really need an 80 SPF. 30 is a pretty good number. You can also get a little sun as well, which is not horrible, to get a little summertime glow, especially at this time of the year. Yeah, Bum 30 SPF, gluten-free, broad spectrum, 6 ounces, 6 fluid ounces. Highly recommend it. I would give it 5 out of 5, especially because it doesn't make my skin break out. Also, a lot of people can break out if they're allergic to the ingredients in sunscreen, and they might break out on their arms or on their back. This isn't going to cause that because it's non-comedogenic. So that's a really great feature of this sunscreen. So I highly recommend it. Not just take my word for it, but try it yourself. And yeah, Bum 30 SPF. give it a try. Thanks so much for watching.